Hi everyone, welcome to Autobots Learning. My name is Aniket, and in today's lecture, we'll be talking about why Power Automate. So let's get started. Okay. So as we are seeing, there is so much hype about automation, agentic automation, and every company is looking for automation right now. There are so many repetitive tasks. There are so many manual work going on there, and each and every company wants to reduce that and implement RPA over there. So Microsoft is also pushing their tool that is Power Automate as its core automation tool. Okay. So in Power Automate, there we will be automating so much stuff. You will be learning how to reduce the manual task, how to make bots that help you reduce the manual task and increase efficiency. So if you start learning it from today, then only you will be able to grasp it in the future. So basically, the demand for RPA is also going up. Each and every organization is requiring some automation developer, intelligent automation developer. There are so many fancy names around, but the core task is same. They are reducing the manual effort and implementing the RPA and the bots, or you can say the agents all over there. Okay. So why Power Automate? So basically, Power Automate is pretty easier to learn, even if you are a citizen developer. Okay, and if you are a co-developer as well, so both can easily learn Power Automate. So in order to learn Power Automate, it is pretty simple. Okay, because there is no hard code, so much coding required in it. It is very easy to learn. There are drag and drop options available, so it will be very easy to learn for you. Along with the drag and drop available, it is still very useful because we can connect various things through APIs. There are a lot of connectors available in the Microsoft ecosystem as well. More than 500 connectors are available where we can connect through APIs. They have their own pre-built connectors. We can even build our custom connectors as well. So apart from the low code environment and the drag and drop, it is still very powerful. Basically, we have a lot of connectors over there. We have a lot of APIs we can call. There is so much connectivity around the ecosystem that you can even build your customer connectors as well. And scripts as well can be used. The thing I was talking about the ecosystem that it has so many connectors, more than 500 connectors. So basically, I'll be talking about few of here. One is Office 365 Teams, Outlook, SharePoint, Dynamics 365 Excel. There are a lot of a lot more. And apart from this, it often goes more beyond those custom connectors. We can also work on SAP, we can work on Salesforce, we can work on Google Workspace, SQL, we can integrate APIs, we can call APIs, we can trigger workflows through APIs. So there is a lot of connectivity around. So it is very easy to use. It is very easy to implement. Even if you are a beginner, even if you are a developer, both can use the tool. Apart from connectors, there is a lot of hype going around for Power Automate regarding the hyper automation. So basically, it has an application called AI Builder inside Power Automate Cloud, which helps you to achieve hyper automation. So with AI Builder, RPA, Cloud Flows, it moves towards the hyper automation. I'll be deep diving about AI Builder as well, like how we can implement AI Builder, how we can train data. That will uh, talk later on. So when we combine cloud, desktop, and AI analytics from end to end in the process automation, that is basically called an hyper automation. Okay. So by learning Power Automate, you don't only automate tasks that are repetitive. You also go towards the AI. You also learn towards the what is going on in AI, how you can enable AI in your organization, how you can implement AI there. So in this course, I will be basically deep diving towards from each action to action, what is necessary, what is crucial in your automation journey, how you can become a beginner to pro in Power Automate by learning only the things that you require, not the crap that is available. So in this course, I will be deep diving into each and every action, how to implement that, and then we will slowly transition into AI driven processes as well and how to implement AI driven processes and Power Automate. Basically, we have some competitors as well for Power Automate, which are pretty having a good market cap right now. So one of them is UiPath, Automation Anywhere, Blue Prism. But still, Power Automate stand out because of its low cost, because of its integration in the ecosystem. There are so many custom connectors. It combines cloud, desktop, and AI all in the same, which makes it a good to go choice for the organization that are already using Microsoft 365. So in the next lecture, I'll be talking about how to install Power Automate, what are the things we need to do to install Power Automate, what is a runtime machine, and how to connect Cloud Flow to Desktop Flow. So stay tuned. I'll be dropping a video soon. Thank you.